Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Stacksocial. Is it legit or just another scam? So here people in Reddit have said they have got an unlimited lifetime windscreen and other subscriptions from the past already. So yes, 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 and yes. So here it does look that it's legit. So when we also go to Microsoft community, so can you trust Social Stack website for buying Windows 11 Pro license? So here, regarding this matter, they don't really answer that because um, part of it is already biased by Microsoft answering in their independent advisor. But I would go with the Reddit answer, so I trust the community knows what they're doing. So here you can buy a lot of subscriptions for cheap using Stack Social. So I can say I can verify that this is real. So it can range from software to courses to lifetime subscriptions, memberships, electronics, lifestyle, gift cards, and much more. You can sign in here and create your own actual account, and then you can purchase one of the actual software or courses or subscriptions that you want to do right here, and you're gonna get it with a discount. So there you go guys, that is the actual just review of this social stack. Is it legit or a scam? It's basically legit.